Hola, buenos días.
Buenos días.
Quería preguntarle cómo meterse en el Zoom. Sí. Según Vázquez. Buenos días.
Buenos días. I'm sorry. So there's a lag. So this is live already. Okay, so then I have to take this one off, right? Because it's already merged, right? Once it goes live. I'm sure. So where's my Zoom? Okay. Can you check on YouTube just to see if that's going? Or you want me to go check real quick? Yeah, it's because this is Zoom, and then I think it has live on YouTube. Okay, so this is showing that it's on. I think it is on.
That say on Zoom that you're live?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so you're YouTube live.
Okay, so that one's on YouTube. Okay.
Just mute yourself.
Good job.
Get batteries?
Not really.
Are they wouldn't see?
They wouldn't? Or was it 2-pack?
No, they,
Who are you? I'm trying to get the routine trick.
Maybe it doesn't have a voice.
I don't know.
Good here. I see. It's decided to go. It's already 2 minutes till 10.
I know, Mom. Doesn't start till the hand.
If you can't do it,
What?
if you can't do it,
Well, we gotta wait till 10.
Thank you.
Do we have court today?
Ah. Yeah. Están ya, se nos trae.
Oh, can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? Oh, that's so good.
Ay,
most of people, but I think the last time we had decided that if you tried to get a hold of someone and you couldn't get a hold of them and they weren't here for this court, then we could issue the failure to appears.
That is your, you got that authority.
Yeah, I am, because it takes a lot of time to get court prepared and it makes everybody stop what they're doing and come to court. So yeah, she's already even doing the orders for the warrants of arrest. Good morning. Can everybody hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
yes.
Thank you for being here. Today is Wednesday, July the 29th, and we're here for pretrials. I think all of you have appeared already before and all of you know me. So my name is Cinderella Guevara. I'm the Presidio County Judge. And here present today that you cannot see is our county attorney, the prosecuting attorney, Rod Ponton, his assistant, Brenda Pondo, the clerk, Tara, and Tara Salgado. And then we have the public defender's office here today. So is there anybody on screen that needs an interpreter because the interpreter is not here today?
Yo.
Usted necesita,
Sí,
okay,
no.
all right. Great. So no interpreter again today. What is your name? Okay, Saul Vasquez?
Yes.
Okay, all right. And are you all representing him by any chance? Okay, so you have a conflict of interest in representing him and you can't represent him. So he needs an
It's either
attorney.
represent him on this misdemeanor or get rid of 2 or 3 felonies for someone else. So we're gonna keep them close cases we can.
Okay. Right. So in this situation, if he has claimed that he is indigent, can I just appoint another attorney that's besides Far West Texas? Okay. So I will get, excuse me, I will be getting something in writing that there's a conflict. All right. So let me just go ahead and dismiss him. And he had the charge of striking a fixture, right? Okay. So let me write this down so I don't. Saul Vasquez, he's number 18 and the do you think it'll be wrong if I tell him in Spanish that his case is continued? That's all I'm going to tell him. We're going to continue him to August. I have to appoint him an attorney, someone apart from Farley. Okay, señor Vázquez,
Sí,
ahorita ya va a estar disculpado de
Ok.
la corte, no disculpado, pero su causa va a ser continuada.
ok.
Y ahorita los abogados que usted tiene
Ujú.
me han informado que hay un conflicto en representándolo, cual es que yo le voy a nombrar otro abogado.
Otro abogado. Ok,
Sí, un abogado diferente y luego vamos a continuar la causa hasta agosto. ¿Y qué es su número de teléfono de celular?
es 432-295-1626.
¿Qué es su correo?
Es el P.O. Box es 284 Marfa, Texas.
284.
Sí, 284.
284. Ok, aquí en Marfa.
Sí,
Ok, so yo le doy este número de teléfono a su abogado nuevo y a ver cuándo le llaman.
ok, está bien. Gracias.
Yo creo que no va a ser esta semana, pero
Ok.
la otra siguiente
La
que viene.
próxima semana. Está bien.
Ahorita,
Gracias.
ya no tiene que estar en la corte. Muchas gracias.
Gracias. Hasta
Okay.
luego. Bye.
Okay, bye-bye. All right, you got your notes on him? Does anyone else need an interpreter? Because we do not have one right now, an interpreter. I guess not. I think all of you speak English, right?
Yes.
Okay, great, wonderful. All right, so today we're here at Pretrials, and I'm just gonna go by screen order. So there's only 3 individuals left, and that's gonna be Viviana Acosta to my far top left-hand corner. So let me pull up your case really quick.
Just so you know, we're in the waiting room right now, so I know if there are other people in the waiting room.
Okay, let me just hit admit all. Okay, yes. David Casey. Oh, a lot of people came on.
It's working. Thank you.
Oh,
Bye.
and our interpreter is here. Yay, great, wonderful.
Yes, I was waiting. Your Honor, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Okay.
Yes, thank
Okay.
you.
I was on with your secretary, the clerk, and I didn't know. I was waiting. I thought maybe something had happened. So I'm here.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
no, yesterday we had 4 individuals show up for court on Zoom. And today, when I put the screen on it, I had 4 individuals, and then closed mind. I just said, okay, only 4 individuals showed up.
Oh.
And it wasn't until the attorney told me, Judge, there's people in the waiting room, including myself. So, okay. So we already started court, and today is Wednesday, July the 29th. And thank you all for being here. I'm going to go on my screen from left to right. And on the top left-hand corner, I have Viviana Acosta, and that's the case we're going to go to next. So, and then next will be Cassidy Douglas, and then Moto G Stylus. I'm not sure. We'll look that up in just a moment. JC David Anthony.
I'm David Anthony. I'm right here, just so you know.
Right, and yes, let's see, where are you? Okay, yes, I'm looking, okay, I see you. I'm looking for Douglas, Cassidy Douglas.
Jesus Vega is also on the call.
I'm present, Your Honor. Cassidy Douglas.
Okay, yes, you're next
Okay.
after. And then I see Jesus Vega.
Yes, I'm present, Your Honor.
James Heath. Justin Guevara. Okay. What number is Cassidy? Do you see him? Douglas Cassidy Scharnberg. Okay, Mr. Is your last name David Cassidy or?
My last name is Douglas. My middle name's Scharnberg. My first name's Cassidy. So Cassidy Douglas is my name.
Cassidy is your first name?
Yes, ma'am.
Scharnberg is your middle name.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, could you update your address for me, please?
My address, 1106 Spear.
Just a moment, please.
We represent him, and we have good contact with him. We talked to him yesterday, I believe. So we don't need any of that information. It's clearly got it. We can update the court.
Okay, if you could update the clerk's office, because that's the note I have here that the clerk's office needs it updated. Okay, you don't have to do that for me, sir. Your attorneys are going to do that. Okay. So, Mr. Scharnberg, let me look up to see how he pled.
He's split not guilty, judge, and we're set for some discovery.
Okay.
Particularly, we don't have the report that says exactly how these things.
Okay. Then I'm going to go ahead and excuse him for the rest of the day.
Thank you, Judge. Okay.
How long will that take? Do you think we'll have that by August, that report?
So there's a video that's missing, Judge, and there's like a couple of pieces of paper that we got in the email. They have it, so.
Okay. Okay.
We have difficulty making the copies of files that are always open. Sometimes from the office.
We just need it together.
It's not that we haven't provided.
Okay, so Mr. Douglas, thank you, Mr. Chambers. Mr. Douglas, you're going to be excused for today. Your case is still being continued. Your attorneys are still waiting for discovery from the prosecution office, from the prosecutor's office.
Okay,
All
so
right,
I'm,
so
I'll
you're
be
excused for
hearing back.
today.
Okay,
Yes, and we anticipate having court. We already have a date set for August 11th and 12th.
okay. Thank you.
So, probably 12th is the day that you will end up having to come back to court.
Okay.
All right.
Well, thank you
so
very much, and have a good day.
All right. You too. Okay. And so next we have David Casey.
I'm here, Your Honor.
Okay.
If Mr. Casey was able to get rid of that surcharge, it's my understanding that Mr. Parkin's going to dismiss the case. So we have a resolution, it's just, we have to figure out what the problem is to get it fixed.
Okay. All right. Okay. That makes a lot of sense. All right, Mr. Casey. So, wait, your last name is Anthony, correct? David
No, my last
Anthony.
name is Casey. Yes, ma'am. David
Oh,
Anthony.
okay. Yeah, the way the system puts the names in is not, it doesn't distinguish. So, all right. So Casey, David Anthony. All right. So you will be excused for today. I think there's issues with your driver's license that could probably be taken care of by the next appearance date. And so we're just going to wait for those to get resolved and then see where the case goes from there. So
Okay.
your attorney is here, and so I'm going to go ahead and excuse you. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Have a nice
Thank you, Your Honor.
okay. Have a nice 4th of July weekend.
Thank you, you as well. And thank you, Mr. Chambers. Bye-bye.
Okay. So waiting. Waiting. Okay. Okay, and some other people have joined as well. Lorinda Carrillo is on there now, and Jose Samaniego. All right. Okay, so next on my screen is Viviana Acosta. Did we take care of her? Thought we had already.
No, ma'am, it's here.
Okay. Yeah, she's the first one on the docket. All right, so her plea, I need to look it up. My eye docket's not up.
Hello, good morning. Your Honor, this is Felix Almaraz.
Good morning. Yes, I will be calling you shortly. So just please stand by and you can mute yourself right now.
Thank you, ma'am. Appreciate it.
Okay, thank you for appearing today.
Over there.
Hello.
Hello?
Hello?
Are you representing Viviana?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, and her plea was looking for it.
Should be not, Your Honor. Currently, right now, we're working on affidavit of non-prosecution with our investigator.
Okay.
So we're kind of waiting on that and we're asking to pass this time.
Okay. Affidavit of non-prosecution. Is it the victim that?
Yes,
Okay.
our clients will, I believe.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Acosta, you are dismissed today. You're excused for the rest of the day.
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
All right, your attorneys are here and there are some matters pending. So this may or may not be continued to the next court, just depending on those matters being
Yes.
resolved.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Have a good rest of the day and
Okay.
happy 4th of July.
You too. Thank you, ma'am.
Someone else is waiting to get in, so we're having.
Hello, Judge. My name is Jose Samaniego. I don't know if you've done roll call. I was having trouble logging on.
Okay, yes, I saw that you were trying to get on, and so then I admitted you, and you will be counted present today. And
Okay, ma'am.
we'll be getting back to you.
Okay, thank you.
What is it, ma'am?
Okay, Moto G Stylus. What is your name?
Yes, ma'am. Guadalupe Garcia.
Guadalupe Garcia. Okay, just a moment. What? Okay. Okay, yes, I remember signing that. Okay, Guadalupe Garcia.
Yes, ma'am.
Your attorney had filed a continuance, so it was granted. So you really didn't have to appear today. I'm sure there was some type of miscommunication where you weren't informed that you did not have to be here today, but your case has been continued upon his request.
Okay. All right. No,
so-
I wasn't aware. I haven't been able to get a hold of him.
Okay, well, yeah, so I'll go ahead and dismiss you. Thank you for appearing today.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Have a good day.
Where is she? Okay, thank you. And it says here, sign continuance. Okay, so next we have Justin Guevara.
Yes, no, I'm here.
Yes, just a moment, please. Justin Joe Guevara. All right, you are charged with the offense of driving while intoxicated, and his attorney is, you represent him? Okay. Have all the discovery. Okay, so you're still waiting on discovery also on this case?
We've received discovery from this case, Your Honor, but we have not been able to.
So, and that's going to be the situation with every DWI case for today?
For today, yes.
I'm sorry, what did you say?
The case you're calling.
So that one for sure will try to take care of August 11th.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, or August 12th.
So just to make it clear, Judge, obviously during those two of those years, it's COVID, sent the prosecutor's office. But
You're welcome to go do it at the DPS office. Because we can't make copies of some of these because of technical issues, not because we're trying to.
no one, first of all, no one has said that the prosecutor's trying to make it difficult.
Right, but
And second of all, whatever technical issues that they're having, the DA's office doesn't have any problem making copies of these. So yes, we do need to get with the prosecutor's office. We do need to figure out a way for us to get the videos so that we can watch them, so that this thing can be resolved.
Okay.
No one here has said that they are not, or they're trying to keep it from us.
Okay.
Making that application.
Just COVID threw everything off.
Right.
Right. All right, Mr. Guevara.
Yes, ma'am.
Your attorneys are present, and there's just one more matter in your case that needs to be resolved before this can go ahead and come to court. So for today, your case is going to be passed, and you'll probably have to appear for sure on August the 12th.
Okay.
Again. Okay, but thank you
Yes,
for
ma'am.
appearing today, and you're excused for the day.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Have a good day.
Next is Adam Mediano. And give me
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, give me I will go ahead and bring your case up. Okay, so your offense is the same as the previous
Yes.
individual. So what we're going to do is go ahead and continue this case also for the same reason.
Okay.
And so for today, you are excused. Thank you so much for appearing.
Thank you. Have a good 4th of July.
Okay, you too. George Renteria, you have been on since court came on, so I'll go to yours next. Okay. George Renteria Villanueva?
Present.
Okay. And his offense is driving while license invalid with previous conviction. Are you representing Mr. Renteria? Okay.
Or you could put James Heath in a breakout room with Mr. Renteria, and I'll go talk to him about it later, so I can announce what that is.
Okay. All right. So, Mr. Renteria, I'm going to put you in a breakout room right now.
Yes, ma'am.
And your attorneys are going to speak to you. And
Thank
then,
you.
one of the attorney, they'll come back and then we'll see how we proceed. But for right now, I'm going to just let you speak to your attorney.
Yes, ma'am.
I have him ready to put him in the breakout room, except for it's not bringing you all up. What is your
James Heath.
James Heath?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, yes. I'm sorry. I didn't see the initials. And that's all that needs to go in the breakout room?
Yeah, James Heath and
Okay. All right. So they should have gone to the breakout room already. It's open now? Okay. But I still see him on here.
You should have been prompted when you opened the room.
Okay, Mr. Renteria. Okay, I believe that. And he's muted, so okay. Okay, good. Just needed to get that out of the way. Okay, next we have Jesus Vega.
Yeah, yes, Your Honor, I'm here.
Okay, would you put your screen on, please?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay. I see you now. All right, just a moment.
Guys, not fighting.
What number is he? Jesus Montemayor Vega. Okay. All right. So, Mr. Vega, you were charged with the offense of under 2 ounces of marijuana. Let me see. Do you represent him?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes? Okay. Go ahead. Did you want to address the court?
Yes, Your Honor. We received a PTB offer on this case. However, we have not been able to review discovery. I don't believe we have discovery, and would like lab results of the substance, which is
All right. Okay. All right, Mr. Vega. Thank you. Your attorney is present and he has advised the court that there is a matter pending in your case. And they would like to take care of that matter before your case actually comes to court. So I'm going to go ahead and grant a continuance. And for today, you are dismissed. You are excused.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, attorney.
Okay, thank you for appearing today. Did you hear that? Thank you. Okay.
Okay.
Who is 915-216-6932?
Yes, ma'am. That's me, Felix Almaraz. Felix Almaraz.
All right, would you put your screen on, sir?
I was having problems connecting.
Okay. Okay. That's fine, sir. It's all right. Thank you for appearing today. Just a moment, please.
You're welcome.
Okay. All right. So, thank you. Mr. Almaraz, your case is that similar to that of previous ones where discovery is still pending. So your attorney has asked for a continuance, and I'm going to go ahead and grant it. And then for today, you are excused.
Okay, Your Honor. Thank you very much. Thanks, everybody. Have a nice weekend.
You too. Thank you very much. Next, we have Lorinda Carrillo. Ms. Carrillo.
You would ask for the continuance on investigators, but on the actual.
Okay. Okay, so an affidavit of non-prosecution is pending. All right, Ms. Carrillo, you will be excused for today. Because Ms. Carrillo, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Claudia, Connie from the prosecutor, from the public defender's office. Can you hear me? Hello, Ms. Carrillo? Yes, you need to unmute yourself. Otherwise, then they're just counted as not being present. Ms. Carrillo, can you unmute yourself, please? Maybe she's not. I don't think she's on there.
You may be able to prompt her by trying to put her into the breakout room. Maybe that would make her show up. I don't know how Judge Ferguson prompts people when they may have like stepped away or not being.
Okay.
Like she's trying to ask a question.
No, it's just like an emoji.
Right in the top corner. And if she's there, she can hear you. She's going to be able to unmute. Yeah. Was that always there? Okay. I don't.
So should I still try to put her in a breakout room?
I would do that to see if it helps. Try to fix whatever issue she might be having, but if she doesn't go in.
Okay. Okay. All right. And I see George Renteria is back on.
Yeah, you, I don't know if you told him that he could go, Judge. We've, Connie talked to him. I think he's gonna accept the pretrial diversion agreement, but he can't make a payment until next month, August. So we're gonna ask to pass that until he can come up with the money so he can make the payment.
Okay, great. Okay, now I'm having a hard time making a breakout room. Let's see, another breakout room.
You could just assign it to the same room they're already, that she's already in.
Okay,
So you don't have to make multiple ones. You could just keep assigning to the same. But if you didn't have one, I'm happy to get out of the chair.
and you all are AS, right?
James Heath, should be James Heath.
Okay, and then George Renteria, I need to move him back to,
You could tell him he can sign on.
okay, let me just do that. That's gonna be easier. And oops, Lorinda's not in the breakout room anymore. She's not on the screen at all.
It sounds like.
Okay. All right, Mr. Renteria.
Yes, ma'am.
Your case is, you are just excused for the rest of the day. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, Your
All right.
Honor.
Thank you so much. Have a good week.
Likewise.
That just leaves me one person. AS. Who is that? That's a person that was just joining by phone only, I believe.
That's Your Honor. That's me. Allison.
Oh, okay. That's you. And
Yeah.
there's another person trying to get in, right? Jose Samaniego, he's trying to get back in. Okay.
Yeah, I just muted and I've just been waiting.
Okay. And earlier, we needed to have an interpreter for the very first person that I called roll call for, but his case had to be continued anyway.
Oh, yeah, I was
So-
on. I signed on at like a little before 10, but I was just waiting. Nobody let me into the.
Yeah, I'm so sorry. I apologize for that.
Yeah, that's why I called
Okay.
your assistant and told her I don't know what's going on, but I'm here. I just wanted the court to know.
Yeah, and that's what went on yesterday. We only had 4 persons show up, and then and so today I only had 4 persons, and closed-minded. I just thought, okay, I'm only gonna have 4 persons today, and forgot to keep on admitting people into the Zoom today. So I'll have to make a note of that and make sure that I keep looking at who's trying to get on.
Yeah.
So
Are we still, I don't know where we're at on the docket.
Well, okay, so on the docket, Jose Samaniego was on. He's gonna
Right.
be the last person that was trying to get on. He was on, and let's see, he said, okay, so he keeps getting logged out of his, he keeps trying to get on and then he keeps getting logged out. So he's letting the clerk's office know that. Oh, okay, so his case is gonna be continued anyway. Okay, let me just let the clerk's office, since he's communicating with them, let me let the clerk's office know to tell him that, and that way he can quit trying to log on. Okay, great, thank you. Okay, so he'll be informed that his case has been continued, and I don't see anyone else trying to get on. I do see a waiting room with OnePlus Nord. But we don't need to have anybody in the waiting room, so actually we're done with court for today.
Oh,
Yes.
all right.
Okay.
Mr. John Michael Fuentes, 6879. He's actually signed the paperwork. We haven't got to the prosecutor's office yet. At this point.
Okay, John.
He's gonna bring a check today. She said.
John Michael Fuentes.
Fuentes,
Oh, Fuentes. Okay. So no warrant for him. Okay.
Mr. Trayvon Stigler, I don't know why he's not in court. I spoke to him personally last week. We intended to announce for trial today, but apparently there are 2 other cases that the state has that I was just informed about. Some time to work on those. Maybe we can come up with a resolution. So ask to pass Mr. Stigler. I have good contact with him. I don't know what happened. I've had him in other cases.
Yes, he's been appearing every time that we've had court. Something must have come up today. Okay, someone else. Ms. Santucci, I'm gonna go ahead and excuse you. Thank you so
Okay.
much for
Yes, ma'am.
being here today. And then just send me your paperwork and we'll get it all taken care of.
I will. And then
All
I
right.
heard you say that court in
August is
August.
August 11th and 12th.
11th and 12th. So I will put that on my calendar now. Thank you.
Yes. Okay,
All right.
thank you so much.
Thank you.
Who else did you need to? Steve Trevino? So you're asking for a pass on those?
I mean,
Just one last time?
But given your announcement at the beginning of the court, I don't know if you're going to grant that.
Well, I'm gonna go ahead. The warrants that I want to issue are the ones that, if they did actually get the notice, so I have to confirm that they actually got it. But for today, I'll go ahead and pass Stephen Allen Trevino and Andres Vargas. And
Public defender represents Judge Jose Alberto Flores as a PTV offer.
wait, I've got to write all this down because, okay, let me just write this down. PTD offer. So that's continued, or?
I don't know if we haven't been able to get a hold of it, but since it's a driving while licensed felon, we do have the discovery, I believe, and in my experience, people take PTD for those particular cases. I would hope that we would have it resolved by the next document.
Okay, I'm just going to continue that. Next.
And then Mr. Cervantes, Jose Jamie Cervantes at the DWI, so even if we but he got a hold of him, we're gonna have to continue to do it.
What is he? Is he a DWI? And that's it.
That's it.
For the ones that you were, okay, great. Thank you all very much. I'm going to go ahead and end this Zoom court. And everyone is excused. Thank you. Thank you. Have a great 4th of July.